Hello students, welcome to computer class. Now, today we will see applying formatting effects. Now what is formatting? That we should see first. Formatting means changing the appearance of the text. Means what? You can enhance the look of text by changing the font size, font face, then font color, and then specifying the alignment also. Okay, line spacing also. Always while formatting the text or object, you should select it first. Okay, now today we are going to look in this how to change the color, how to first set the slide master. Okay, what is slide master? All these things we are going to learn today. Okay, so we'll proceed. Now slide master. Slide master means the head or the monitor or the one who looks after everything. Here slide master also works in the same manner. Means what? If you will make a slide master, in that you can specify the color scheme or the text or the font or the color where exactly it should be placed, all this text placeholders and all everything. So that is that you have to define in the slide master. Okay, the slide master is an element of the template that stores information including font styles, placeholders, sizes, position of the text, then objects, bullet styles, background, design and color schemes. Slide master sets the default layout and formatting for all other slides. If you will do changes in the slide master, it will get reflected in your presentation for all other slides. Okay, automatically. You don't have to specify. Suppose, see why slide master is important, because you have suppose 15-20 slides in your presentation, and for each slide you want to give transition effect, and you want to have the same color scheme, you want to have the same font for all the slides, text and all that. So all this you can set in slide master once, so this will get applied to the to all the slides in your presentation. Okay, now the slide master consists of two placeholders, slide title placeholder and body text placeholder. Means for the title which effects you want to give, that you have to specify, and for the body of the slide means contains or any other thing, if you want to add extra placeholders, that also you can specify. The look of the layout you have to specify in the slide master itself. Okay, now the slide title placeholder, it contains the title of the page. You can move the title placeholder and you can add the, you can place it anywhere. The body text placeholder, it includes the general objects like text with bullets, charts, pictures or any other things if you want to include in that. Okay, now how to edit the how to open the slide master? For that, you have to click on the slide master button in the presentation view group on your view tab. The slide master tab appears as active tab and slide master pan appears on the left hand side. Correct. Now there you can click on the edit theme. Okay, you can edit the theme on the slide master and select the desired theme which you want for your slides. Okay, means the color combination and all. Here you can change and edit the colors, font, effects, background, styles. You can insert different placeholders also if you want. Okay, now creating new slide master, you can edit as well as, means you can edit the slide master which already created, and you as well as you can create the slide master. So for creating, we will see how to create the slide master. For that, create a new custom layout for the slide master. You have to click on the view tab. Then in the view tab, see here presentation. In the presentation view, select the normal view, and then Click on the blank layout, normal view, and on the left hand side it will show you different views for the slides. In that, click on the blank layout present in the slide pane. Click on the Insert Slides Master group on the slide tab. Select the title slide layout thumbnail from the slide pane. You can remove the unwanted placeholders if you want to remove the unwanted slide placeholders. Okay. Now here, see here, select blank slide layout, which I told you on the left hand side in the pan. It is showing. After that, you have to go to Edit Master, Group, Insert Slide Master button. Okay, in the Slide Master tab, you have to click on the Insert Slide Master button. That button is available under Edit Master Group. Correct. Now, after that, you can give the placeholders. Select the title slide layout and give the title accordingly. Okay, the slide pane again, from the slide pane you have to select. See, remove unwanted or default placeholders which you feel it is extra. You can delete it. Simply highlight it and press delete key. It will get deleted. But suppose if you want to add new placeholders, what to do? For that, in the same in the slide master only, slide master layout group, there is a insert placeholder. Click on that where you want title, text, date, slide number or footer. Which placeholder, which type of placeholder you want, it will ask. Select accordingly and you will get it inserted in your slide master. Correct. All this we have seen about the slide master. Suppose you want to change the color scheme also. This color scheme is also possible. So go to this presentation. Go to Design tab, this presentation, and you can change the Design tab. Select any theme, and there you can change the color also for the theme. Okay, font also and effects also you can do. Now suppose if you want to come out of the slide master, then when slide master is getting open, the slide master tab, whenever it is getting open, there is a button close slide master. So you will come out of the this. You will come out of the slide master. See, once in the slide master you have decided everything, it will get applied for the presentation. But suppose individually if you want to change the background, okay, change the background of the slide, different background you want to give, suppose, to the slides. Now we have come out of the slide master. For individual slides we will see all these effects, how to give different effects. Okay, changing background, for this go to Design tab again, and in the backgrounds you can change the background. Okay, click on the background style, and from that click on the format background option. So here you will get different options: solid fill, gradient fill, then picture and texture fill, or from the file also you can take some graphics or pictures also for the background. Accordingly you select, and according to your selection the background will get changed. Suppose this is about background we have seen. Now we want to see, suppose for any shape we want to change the color. Okay, fill effects we want to give. That also is possible. For that, first you have to insert one shape in the slide. After inserting the shape, how you'll insert the shape? For that, go to Insert tab. Then there is an option Shapes in the illustration group. Select any shape which you want, and that shape is getting selected after inserting. And then format menu you will get displayed. In that format menu you will get displayed shape. If you want to fill the shape, fill color in the shape fill, this option if you will click, all these this dialog box you will get open. Out of this you can fill the shape. A simple solid color, again gradient fill or texture, whatever you want to select, you can select it. Okay, this is about the shape we have seen. Now suppose we want to apply some formatting effect for our text. Which matter, textual matter we have written. Okay, that is available in the Home tab font group. Many options are there. See here, it is given font size, then you can increase the font size button is there, or decrease font size button is there available. Then you can make it italic, bold, all this. Then you can use format painter to give the effects of the other text. Okay, then shadow effect is also there, shadow button is also there. Then you can align the text left side, right side, center, or justify. And indenting effects also. Indent means from the edge of the page up to the margin, which space is available either on the left side or right side, that is called indent. You can increase the indent, means you can increase that space, or you can decrease the indent, means you can decrease the space from where exactly you want the text to be started, okay, on the page. All this you can do, means you are formatting your text as good as possible, as good as more readable. Okay, now all this textual effect we have seen, the effects, how to give effects for the background and for the object, that also we have seen. Suppose some columnar information you want to add in your presentation. How to insert a table, that we are going to see. Okay, now to insert a table, first you have to insert a slide. For inserting slide, go to Home tab, Slides group, New Slide, this button click on, then you will get different layouts. From that layout, title and content, this layout you have to select, and in the content portion, content placeholder, you will get one icon to insert tables. Click on that icon. After clicking on that icon, like this, a small dialog box will get inserted. There it is asking how many rows and how many columns you want to insert to make a table. Specify the rows and columns according to your wish, and then click on OK. So your table will get inserted like this in the slide. Okay, now here select any cell where you want to start entering data and start entering the data. Whenever you want to go to next cell, either press left arrow, right arrow, or press enter, it will go to the next cell. Okay, like this you can enter the data. Okay, now whenever you are inserting a table, a new tab getting displayed on the ribbon, that is table tools. This is divided again into two parts, design and layout. Design means the appearance of the table, how it should look like, that is all those options are given in the design group. And whereas layout means suppose how your layout of the table should look like. You can insert more rows or columns, or you can delete the rows or columns, or you can split the cells, or you can merge the cells. So many options are there. Okay, how you want the text to be there in the table, all that you can choose through layout options. Okay, so design and layout. Now after that, so many things we are learning to make our presentation more attractive, correct? Now next one is charts in the PowerPoint. What is charts? Charts means it's a pictorial representation of the information. Whenever it is put in the chart type, it is more readable, or one can understand the data more easily with the help of charts. Okay, there are many types of charts in PowerPoint. Again, how to insert charts in the PowerPoint? For this, but before that, charts are its components, and that we are going to see. Okay, now here charts and its components means, suppose the chart is getting inserted, How what are the different things? It is marked with numbers. Okay, first number is that it is the it includes the complete area and all objects in a chart. Now second one, see from the bottom some names it is displaying. Category axis of x-axis is the horizontal axis. Okay, the matter that is compared and presented in the chart comes under it. Then number 3. Number 3, it is value axis or y-axis. It is the vertical axis which is used to plot the values. Now number 4, the actual values. It is representing the data series. These are the bars, slices or the other elements that shows the data values, actual data values. Now number 5. Number 5, that is category name. These are the label displayed on the x and y axis. Okay. Then number 6. Number 6 is the plot area. It is a window within the chart area. It contains the actual chart itself and includes plotted area, plotted data, data series, category and values. Okay, the actual graph where it is getting displayed. Number 7, it is the legend. It depicts the colors, patterns or symbols assigned to the data series. Okay, so these are the data components or the chart and its components, how it will look like and what it represents. Now creating a chart, same like a table. Whenever we want to create a chart in the slide, first go to the slide, insert one slide and select title and content layout, and there is a table icon, not table icon, chart icon. Click on that chart icon. It will ask which type of chart you want to insert. A dialog box comes in front of you. You have to select the chart type. See, like this dialog box comes in front of you, that is column, line, pie, bar, area, XY, stock and so many other options it is showing. Mainly few options we are going to learn or we are going to see. In this, here you have to click on the chart type and click on OK. So it will get inserted. Okay. Now here different types of charts are there. First one, it is column chart. It displays the data in the form of vertical bars. Here you can see vertical bars with different colors. So column, different types of columns it is shown. Out of that you select as per your desire. Bar chart. It displays the data in the form of long rectangular bars that are placed horizontally. Can you see horizontally? Earlier for column it was vertical position. Now it is horizontal. Third type is line chart. It displays the data in the form of lines. One is pink, one is green. So these two are two different factors. Okay. It displays the data in the form of lines. Next one is pie chart. This chart displays the data in the form of a circle, and a circle it shows a certain portion for certain things, certain values. Okay, so it is in the circular form. There are so many other types also. You select the chart as per your data or your desire. Now changing the chart type. If you want to change the chart type, then how to change the chart type? For that, click on the design tab, go to change chart type. There it will show you the different charts. From there you can select the chart as per your desire. Correct. Now the data, after changing the chart, the data will get adjusted and according to the chart selected. Correct. Then click on the change chart button in the type group on the design tab. Okay, that we have seen. Now after that, formatting a chart means what? Giving different colors or different design for the chart. For that again chart tools are available. Design is there, format is there. You can edit the data. If you want to edit the data, click on that. According to that, you can edit your data, means you can change the data. If you want to replace something with the other, that you can do it. Okay. Now, after that, printing a slide. After doing the presentation, if we want to print the slides, that is also available. Printing slides as well as notes pages also you can print. But first we'll see printing slides. Here, whenever you want to print, click on Office button and select the option Print. After selecting the option Print, a print dialog box gets open in front of you. In the print dialog box, against the name, you have to select the printer name, which printer is attached to your computer. Now, printer range, all current slide or selection, means from first slide to fourth slide, or all slides, or the only one slide, that you have to specify. Okay, print what? It is given slides. There you will get other option, that is notes pages also. And the color, grayscale or the color, if you have a black and white printer, don't select the color, it is grayscale only. And then click on the OK button. So you will get the slides printed one by one. Correct? All of you have followed this? Now, in this chapter, we have learned so many things. Correct? That is how to create a slide master and why to create a slide master. Then how to change the, means how to make changes in the slide master created, that also we have seen. Now, after slide master, suppose if for individual slides we want to make the changes, how to change the background color, how to change the fill effect for the shapes which we have entered, then how to give formatting effects, means to change the font style, color, then alignment and all, that also we have seen. Now after that we have seen how to insert a table, correct, and how to insert a chart, and at the end of the chapter we have learned how to print the slides. Okay, I hope all of you must have understood what we have learned, and whenever you will get the notes, try to write the notes properly and try to study for the semester exam. Those who have not submitted the projects, try to submit it as early as possible. By then, thank you.